welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of see what festivals are coming up in the future in Heartopia. So I just found out today that you can actually see this, which is the resource overview, and you can actually see here some building materials that we have yet to unlock. So we've unlocked this one, which was the winter, this one, which was the cinematic streamlight one, this one, which was the modular streets, and I think this one's for summer, this one's for Halloween. There's one with like animals on it. I don't know which one that is yet. There's this like camping one. And then I can't really tell what this is. I think that's like an elephant. And I don't know what this is yet. Maybe those are clouds actually. I don't know. And then there's this rainbow one. And then you can see, I can't really tell what this is if I'm being honest. But you can decipher what it is and leave it in the comment section down below to let me know what that is. And we also have this one here, which again, I cannot decipher what it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Had to pause for that. Anyways, that was cringe. But you can kind of see the like festival building materials you'll need later on. So yeah, let me know what you think the next festival will be. I think it's probably going to be the summer one, which is this one that is coming up next. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!